In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide on creating a YouTube channel, how to write a channel description, and the relevant links that you would need to include. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my computer step-by-step what you should do. So the first thing you want to do is to log into YouTube using the Google account you want to use for your channel. And then you want to go down to create a channel. Enter your channel name here and you say create channel. Now you go to customize channel and go into your basic info. Here you can change the name of your channel if you want to, and then go into description. This will be your channel description, and this is what people will see whenever they click on your channel. It'll give them a little introduction to what your channel is about, what you're about. This is a very important step because it basically tells YouTube what your channel is about. So what do I mean by keywords? Let's say, for example, you are a fitness coach and your main target are moms who just had a baby and you're helping them to lose baby weight. So what you would say in description is like, oh, you help moms lose weight fast after giving birth. If you have any links to websites, social media accounts, whatever it is, you can add them here. Just give the title of the website. So let's say LinkedIn, and then just copy and paste the URL here. And then how do you want to be contacted? It's very important to include an email address here, because if brands want to get in touch with you or any of your audience want to buy any of your products but they're having issues, they will know how to reach you. Once that's completed, you need to then go into branding. Now here you can add your picture if you want to add a photo or a logo, whatever it is. So this is the picture that will show up beside your channel name, so use something that you know you want or you love. Then you can upload your YouTube banner and watermark here. I will be doing another video showing you how to design a YouTube banner and the important information that you need to put on there, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that. And then once you're done, you just hit publish and your channel will be live. I'm not going to publish this channel because it's not a real channel, but you get the point. That is it for this video. I hope you found that useful and I hope it helps you to create your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below if you want to see more of my videos.